Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this beautiful protective hairstyle, then stay tuned.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how, rewind.
Hey guys, so I am starting off with freshly washed hair. I went ahead and shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned my hair. It dried a little bit, but as you can see, it's still very wet, but that's okay because I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair braided up. A friend of mine actually braided my hair because y'all, I still don't know how to French braid. Unfortunately, I know, right? Crazy. But yes, I went ahead and put like 8 braids. I think it's like 8 to 10 braids in my hair, and I'm just taking the ends of the braids and braiding that up as best as I can, just so that way I don't have any huge hump in the back of my head from when I put the wig on, because today we are wearing a wig and it's such a beautiful wig, you guys. Just wait till you see it. So yeah, I'm just making sure that it's tied up as tight as possible, but not too tight where it's breaking my hair off, of course. And these braids at the top is going to be my leave out. So today's wig is from AliPearl hair, and guys, I love AliPearl hair so much. Their wigs are such high quality, especially for the low price. You can't get better than that. So when you receive your wig, it's going to come in a plastic bag with the size of the wig, the inch, and the density. And this is a 20-inch wig, 180 density, and it also comes with like a fishnet on it and like the little styrofoam inside to protect the hair, that way it doesn't knot up or tangle. And as you can see, this wig is just freaking gorgeous. It's so bouncy, so soft. So this wig comes with 3 clips at the top, and it also has a band to keep the U part in shape. And then it also comes with 2 clips on the side, an extra clip in the back for extra security, and of course 2 adjustable bands. That way you can size it to your head the way you like. And with your wig, you'll receive an elastic band. That way you can size it to your head the way you want to. Some beautiful scars, a wig cap, which I'm probably not going to use, an edge control brush, and some beautiful lashes, which I actually plan to wear at the end of this video. A satin bag, that way I can store my wig properly. And also a little brochure on how to wash your wig and maintain it. So this wig is so gorgeous, and let's get ready to style it and throw it on my head. So first I'm going to cut off this band. That band is just there to hold the U part shape, make sure it stays in style. And I'm going to go ahead and take each adjustable strap and put it on the opposite end. So the left strap I put on the right strap I put on the left. That way it's super tight and fitted to my head. And now, as you can see, I'm just throwing this wig right on my head. It's literally that easy, guys. You just basically take the clips and make sure they're tucked in your hair, and it doesn't hurt or anything. It feels nice and secure, but like I said, it's not tight, it doesn't hurt. You can adjust the wig to your liking depending on the size of your head. So I'm just taking each clip and just digging it right under my braid and making sure everything is laying flat and looking nice and in place. And I can already tell that this hair is everything, so I just want to make sure the back is adjusted correctly, make sure it's nice and secure. And I put the clip in the back underneath my braid in the back, so it feels good, it feels nice and secure. And as you can see, 20 inches is still very long. I am 5'9", so my height definitely determines how long it is on me, but as you can see, it still is a good length. So now I'm just taking my braids in the front and taking that out because that is my leave out, and I'm going to start to style this hair. So now I'm just taking the end of my comb and I'm just, making my part, making sure it's nice and straight. And y'all already know me, side part it is. I don't really care for middle parts on me, so yeah. I wanted to leave this hair dry, but I'm like, let me style it the same way I would style my natural hair. So I'm just taking some water and I'm just spraying everything down so I could get it to blend really good. and I just want to make sure the wig and my natural hair is all saturated, not like dripping wet, but nice and wet, so you know, once it dries and I style it, it looks all good or whatever. And what I like about this wig is there was not a lot of shedding. Most curly wigs have a lot of shedding. This wig had little to none. So I'm just taking a little leave-in conditioner and I'm applying that mostly to my natural hair, so my hair has a little more shine and moisture to it so it could blend better. But I also took some and applied it to the ends of the wig. And like I said, it's just a little bit, you guys. I didn't apply a lot because I didn't know how the wig would take product, but it took it very well. Some wigs get super weighed down with product. This wig did not. It acts just like natural hair. Well, it is natural hair, but you know, it really looks great. I love it. So I'm just taking my brush and blending my real hair into the wig. And let me tell you, this wig is so gorgeous. Like, it looks and feels like natural hair. Like, it's so soft, it's so bouncy. When you brush through it, the curls just bounce right back into place, and I love that. I just love how soft and bouncy it is. I can't get over it. So I'm just brushing everything out, and as you can see, the wig has so much shine. My natural hair is blending very well. You can't even really tell the difference. And it looks so good. Just look at those curls and how it just bounces right back into place. I'm just so obsessed with how soft the wig is, you guys. It's a solid 10 out of 10. I highly recommend this wig, and it's so easy to put on. Like, it's like you could put it on in 5 minutes if your hair is already braided. Even if it isn't, you could do a little bun and throw this thing on. So I'm going to go ahead and take this edge booster gel and do my edges real quick. I already know I like my baby hairs popping. I'm going to actually use the edge control brush that came with this wig. I really loved it too. Everything was bomb, I'm telling you. So, you know, I'm doing my little dramatic baby hairs. I know baby hairs or edges is not for everybody, whatever. But me, I'm going to do my baby hairs, y'all. I love a popping baby hair look. It just adds a little spadazzle to the style. Especially with curly hair. Like, when hair is bone straight, no baby hairs, I like it. But with curly hair, I think it just goes with the look. And just look how bouncy those curls are, guys. When I say this wig, especially for the price, is everything. And guys, AliPearl is having an autumn sale right now where all of their wigs are buy one get one free, and I'm telling you, their wigs are such great quality. It's definitely worth it. So I went ahead and finger coiled one side of the wig. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and I just love how these curls came out. They're super bouncy, super luscious and juicy. The hair is so soft. Look at all of that bounce and how it swings. So now that the hair is fully styled, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup. So I also put my lashes on that were sent to me from AliPearl, and it just came out so beautiful. The makeup, the lashes, the wig, everything. I am so obsessed with it. The hair dried a little bit more. It's still very damp, but it's more dry than what it was. It took about an hour to do my makeup, so yeah. So now I'm just breaking the curls apart a little bit, trying to fluff it up so it could dry a little quicker. And I'm just so obsessed with this wig. It's a 20-inch wig, 180 density, and it's so beautiful, you guys. I honestly feel like it feels a little longer than 20 inches, but I like that. So make sure you guys check out the description box below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will have all the details down below. So make sure you check that out and stay tuned for my next upload. Mwah.